Hello everyone. Let's create this continuously looping zoom animation effect in Premiere Pro. I've already added 8 clips to my timeline. Each video is about 1 second long. Keep them in that range because this effect is very catchy for short clips like these. Now, create an adjustment layer, place it above the video layers, and match its length to 1 second so it aligns perfectly with the first video. Next, go over to the Effects panel, search for Transform, and apply it to that adjustment layer. Then go to Effect Controls, and under the Transform effect, set the shutter angle to 360. Move the playhead a few frames forward and create a scale keyframe. Move a few more frames forward and change the scale value to 150. This will create our second keyframe. Limited time offer. Get 50% off on all digital products. Just use the promo code 50OFF at checkout to unlock your discount. Links are in the description. Now, select both keyframes, right-click on either one, and select Bezier for more control. Let's expand the Scale Property window so we can see the graph more clearly. Then set the first number to 150 because we made the second scale value of 150, and the second one to 100 because we started from 100. Now let's drag the first keyframe handle upwards and the second one downwards until we get a nice, smooth curve. Finally, drag the second keyframe to the very end of the video clip and the first one to the very beginning. Once that's done, duplicate this adjustment layer across all the remaining clips. And there you go. We now have a continuously looping zoom-in animation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.